Mathis coming to you from my home studio in Sun City, Arizona. And today I'm playing another one of the tunes that I've written my very own self. And it's called the Nightingale Waltz. And this is a series that I wanted to publish on the website of fairly easy polkas and waltzes. And you will find these when you look on the mycrownmusic.net website. Up in the upper right hand corner, the free lessons and sheet music, and at the drop down tab there is one at the very bottom called Polkas and Waltzes, and you will find this tune and this video there. And the reason I have mentioned this before, that I wanted to create these, is I remember way back when, many decades ago, as a young kid, and I picked up a Frankie Yankovic book called Easy Polkas and Waltzes, and they were the first tunes that actually, to me, sounded like a real song, you know, like something I really wanted to learn to play. So I have created this series that they're not too difficult, and somebody in a, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 year level play should be able to play these fairly easy. So this one's in the key of G, and then it goes to the key of D. And I used a Roland FR4X for this tune today. And I used some of the Quarterbox sounds that I have programmed into the Dale Mathis programming. So I'm going to show you how to get there. So I've just turned this instrument on, and so now we're going to go to User Program, turn that light on, and then the down arrow, because I'm going to go to Bank 4. It shows you in the screen, User Program Bank. And then I want to hit the white button down on the bottom here, and the reason is because I want the registers 8 through 14. So I started off this song with register number 11, and so it went. And so in that register, you can hear that the quarter box organ sound is there. So we've got the combination of the accordion sound and the organ sound. And so it's all you have to do is hit the register and it's all automatically there, including all of the sounds. All of that has been pre-programmed for you, so you don't have to figure out anything else. Just have to turn on those sounds and it's all ready to go. And then for the next section, I just hit register number 11. And what that did is turned the accordion from the master voice to a musette. And then for the final section, if you've downloaded the sheet music for this, let me straighten this out on my page here, and you hit register number 13, that's what will bring you into the saxophone sound. And then when I went back, then I just hit register number 11 again. So just 3 registers. Let me show you what else is on there. If I hit register number 8, so that's got the bassoon and the organ with it. And then register number 2. That's just the master alone without the organ. And then number 3, of course, that's got the musette on it. Number 4 is the master with the quarter box organ. Number 5, that's the Frankie Yankovic solo voice. So, and then register number 14 is just a different musette, all alone without the quarter box voice. So there you go. So it's a nice section of voices that I've created just for the FR4X. And so for you folks that love to play Yankovic stuff and love the sound of the old 1950s, 60s, 70s quarter box, it's right there for you. I've programmed it all for you. I've created special voices just to get that sound. These voices are not available from Roland. They are Dale Mathis voices. So there you go. And you know, I get requests all the time to service instruments that were not purchased from Crown Music, sell software or provide technical services. And sorry, I don't do that. I only do the programming for the folks that purchase an instrument from Crown Music in Sun City, Arizona. And if you would like your own Roland from Crown Music, you gotta give the store a call. Here's the store phone number. And if you need some more information about the accordions or you want to place an order through me, you can do that. Here's my phone number. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today. And again, this sheet music and the video will be at the mycrownmusic.net website. So thanks so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my video channel, YouTube channel, right? Dale Mathis Accordion. There are now over 1,100 videos on that channel for you to watch. So we'll see you again next time.